The crypto world is buzzing. It's April 2025 and things are moving fast. Bitcoin, still strong. Ethereum, holding steady. But there's a new player on the field, AI-powered coins. These coins use artificial intelligence to make trading decisions. It's a new frontier in the world of crypto. But the buzz isn't just about new technology, it's about access. More people than ever want to buy and trade crypto. They're looking for ways to participate in this exciting new market, and that's where Picoin comes in. Before we dive into Pi, let's talk about the big players. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still the kings of the crypto world. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, remains a popular choice for investors. Ethereum, with its smart contracts, powers many new crypto projects. These two cryptocurrencies have proven their staying power. They are widely traded on many platforms. They offer a sense of stability in a volatile market, but the crypto world is always changing. New challengers are emerging all the time. One such challenger is Pi Network. Picoin is unique because you can mine it on your phone. No need for expensive equipment. This has made it accessible to millions of people worldwide. Pi Network launched its mainnet in February 2025. This was a big step for Pi, moving it from a testing phase to a live network. However, Picoin is not yet listed on major exchanges. This means you can't trade it on platforms like Binance or Coinbase. This has caused some frustration within the Pi community, but Pi Network is working on building its own ecosystem. This includes wallets, apps, and even a system for verifying user identities. So, how do you buy crypto? The most common way is through a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are popular choices. They allow you to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. To buy crypto on an exchange, you need to create an account and verify your identity. This is important for security and regulatory compliance. Once you're verified, you can link your bank account or credit card to fund your account. Then you're ready to start trading. Buying Picoin is a bit different. Because it's not on major exchanges, you'll need to find other ways to trade. One option is peer-to-peer trading within the Pi app itself. This allows you to trade directly with other Pi users. You can also find Picoin on some smaller utility-based platforms. These platforms focus on specific uses for Pi, such as buying goods and services. Finally, some communities organize escrow trades for Picoin. This involves a trusted third party who holds the coins during the transaction. Trading crypto can be risky, especially for beginners. Here are a few tips to help you trade safely. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your research. Understand the risks and potential rewards of each cryptocurrency. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Be wary of scams. There are many scams in the crypto world. Be careful who you trust. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about crypto, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. One of the unique aspects of Pi Network is its strong community. Millions of people around the world are using the Pi app and participating in the network. This sense of community is a valuable resource for Pi users. The Pi community provides support, information, and a sense of shared purpose. This is especially important for a project that is still in its early stages. The community is helping to shape the future of Pi Network. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Your digital assets are valuable and you need to protect them. Use strong, unique passwords for all your crypto accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Be wary of phishing scams. Don't click on links from unknown senders. Don't share your private keys with anyone. By taking these precautions, you can help keep your crypto assets safe. The crypto world is constantly evolving. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow. The key is to stay informed and keep learning. Explore different cryptocurrencies. Learn about blockchain technology. The future of finance is being written in code. By understanding crypto, you can be a part of this exciting revolution. So, dive in, explore, and discover the possibilities of the crypto world.